Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I explained addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of algebra. But in today's video, we'll be looking at algebraic equations. I'd like you to know that there are three basic types of algebraic equation. The first one is linear equations, the second one is simultaneous equation, and the third one is quadratic equation. So in this class, I'm going to be taking you through only linear equation, while in my next class, we'll be looking at simultaneous equations. In my last video, I explained the difference between algebraic expression and algebraic equation. And I said that in algebraic expression, what differentiates algebraic expression from equation is that for the equation, it has an equality sign, which is also known as equal to, right? While the expression does not have. Okay, so let's take an example of something like this. We have 9y minus 45 equals to 0. In something like this is an algebraic equation. Reason being that it has the equal to sign, alright? So if we're solving something like this, we are going to have to separate. That means this is the algebraic term and this is a constant, so we're going to differentiate between the algebraic term and the constant. Therefore, we're going to take the constant over to the other side of the equal to. Hence, we have 9y equals to, if minus 45 is moving from the left hand side, crossing the equality sign to the opposite side is going to become what? Plus. Minus crossing the equality becomes what? Plus. So it becomes plus 45. Or I can simply remove the plus and just leave it as 45. Alright? Therefore, I will say that divide both sides by what? Divide both sides by 9. So if I'm dividing both sides by 9, then I have 9y divided by 9 equals to 45 divided by 9. 9 cancel 9. Then I have y equals to, how many 9 will I see in 45? I will have 5. Because I know that my 9 times 5 will give me what? 45. So 45 divided by 9 will give me 5, of which 5 is our final answer. In this example, we are taught to solve for the value of p in this equation. So to solve for the value of p, this is a variable, this is a constant, and this is another constant. So what we're going to do is that we're going to bring the families together. So we collect like terms. This variable, it does not have any other family right in this equation. So the p is going to stand alone. While we have this plus 4 go over to the other side. Then we have 12. This is plus 4. When the positive is crossing over the equality sign, what does it become? Alright, correct. So it becomes minus 4. There I have p equals to 12 minus 4, and that gives me 8. So our final answer is 8. The same way, if we are solving for m, so we're taught to solve for m when we have m minus 10 equals to 10. If we're to solve for m minus m here, we have minus 10 going over to the other side, and we have m equals to 10, which is this one. Then this one, this minus 10 now, crossing to the other side becomes what? Alright, plus 10. So our m is equals to 20, and that is the final answer. Another example we have here, solve for the value of x given 2x plus 3 equals to 9. So how do we get the value of x from this example? All we need to do is to also bring the terms that are similar together while we leave our unknown in the left hand side. Alright, so what are the terms similar together? We have 3 and 9, which are constant, so that means that the 3 is going to go over the other side to meet the constant. Hence we have, it is called collect-like terms. Hence we have 2x equals to 9. When plus 3 goes over the equal to sign, what do we have? Alright, correct. We have minus 3. And that's here we have 2x equals to 9 minus 3, and that is 6. Therefore, what do we do here now? We divide both sides. Alright, we divide both sides by coefficient of x. And what is the coefficient of x here? 2. So we divide both sides by 2. Therefore, we have 2x divided by 2 equals to 6 divided by 2. And that gives us x equals to 3. Alright. 2x minus 3y equals to 9 is also a linear equation, but it's different because it has two variables compared to the questions that we've solved in this video. They only have one variable, but this one is having two variables, and that is going to lead us to what we are going to talk about in my next video, which is simultaneous equation. Here are some practice questions for you to solve them at your leisure. Should in case you have any difficulty trying to solve any of it, or you have questions on algebra, please drop them at the comment section. They will be attended to. Don't forget to click the notification button so that you get the notification when I upload the next video. Thank you.